Hello and welcome back to the Marks Electrical showroom, back here at our flagship headquarters on Boston Road in Beaumont Leys, the heart of Leicester, with products review. And when you hear that S, you know that we're doubling up once again, and this time it's for the complete laundry solution. Allow me to introduce firstly the Samsung QuickDrive WW10 M86 DQ0A 10 kg washing machine, and secondly alongside that the Samsung DV90 N8289 AW 9 kg condenser dryer with heat pump technology. Now, good things often come in pairs, and these two items are quite clearly meant to be together because they can take your laundry from dirty to looking like new, their forces combined. How do they do this? Let's take a closer look. Let's start with the Samsung QuickDrive washing machine then, with its add wash feature, which does pretty much what you think it does. Through pressing this button here, you can pause the cycle at any time. You can add in items you've forgotten. Through here, simply put the ledge back up and resume the cycle. Program starts again, no worries. One of many touch controls you'll find all around this display here, which at the push of a button can add all sorts of options to your washing programs, which you'll find here through the control dial. But let's talk about the other thing that's on board. Let's talk about the 10 kg capacity of that drum, which is suitable for a large family. Let's talk about Eco Bubble technology, which mixes water, air and detergent to create a foam that is very, very effective for stain removal. Let's talk about QuickDrive, the digital motor, which uses a pulsator, which you'll find at the back of the drum there, that thoroughly washes your clothes in half of the time. That's why this machine has an energy efficiency rating of A+++, minus 50%. With that 50%, how much more economical it is than A+++ only models. But ultimately, it's a washing machine and your clothes are still going to be wet at the end of it, which is where this machine comes in. Moving on to the condenser dryer then, with heat pump technology. Now, we've discussed the benefits of a heat pump before. It's basically to purify and reuse the hot air that's generated through the course of a cycle after it's been purified and cleaned and gone through a filter. Now, it's energy saving techniques such as this which make this machine almost as economical as this one. Sadly, with this machine, you're going to have to settle for an A++ only energy efficiency rating, which is still pretty good. I'll talk about the touch controls that we have here. Again, a pause function. You can stop a program at any time and resume it as you see fit. There's all other touch controls here. All your programs are found through the control dial, and I want to talk about the things that we have on board here as well. I want to talk about the water level that you can see. This is how you take away the water generated and dispose of it, and you'll always know how much water is being collected and is in that tank through that over there. And I want to talk about optimal dry. That is the built-in sensors that measure the moisture and the temperature perfectly to make sure there's never any wastage, or at least there's very, very minimal wastage through the course of each and every cycle. I want to talk about digital inverter technology, which is the motor that runs at all times when this machine is in operation, rather than stopping and starting like conventional motors. And I want to talk about the 9 kg capacity that you'll find in that drum there. So they're very, very well balanced, these two machines. They go together effortlessly, and they work in unison either by hand or through smart technology through the Home Care Wizard app. Let's talk about the dimensions then, and what I can tell you is these two are so much of a perfect pairing. They're the same size. They're both 850mm in height, 600mm in width, and 600mm again in depth. But please do note that that depth excludes the knobs and door, and please do leave 5mm either side as always for clearance. And that's what we've got to tell you about these two fantastic appliances, and they're certainly products that we'll be recommending to our customers. You can buy these products now from Marks Electrical. All you have to do is follow the links below the YouTube video that you're watching, and it will take you straight to our website where you'll see all of the purchase options, including finance, which is of course subject to status. Do hit that subscribe button below so you'll always know when we posted a new video to YouTube, and please do leave those comments. We'll get back to as many of those as we can. That's all for now from the Marks Electrical showroom. We'll see you next time.